Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Flooded Acres Homestead. Today we're out here next to the sheep pen and we have got a lot of work to do. We're trying to get our pasture back into an actual pasture rather than just weeds. Some of the flooding and stuff that had been through here recently has washed up seed and stuff from different weeds and various things. If you guys got any tips on how to get this back into a pasture that it should be, let me know. That would be an amazing ordeal. Just leave it in the comments below. Got all the sheep out here in their pen. It's not the greatest, but this electric fence works pretty good. I don't even currently have it on. I just turned it on the first day and allowed them to figure out their boundaries. And today I've got it off and they're staying just fine. However, during the evening or late at night, we go ahead and make sure that it's turned on to keep predators out. So, but they've about got this 8 down, so it looks like we're gonna have to go ahead and get them moved. That's your monkey? Can't wait. Tomorrow they are getting a new swing set. This one has just kind of been old and yeah, one swing is given to us a long time ago, and now we will have a new one to be put up in the yard, something for them to play with. There in the background's the tree that we had fall off the slope and hit our house. Fortunately, no damage. Just still got to get the rest of that cleaned up. Not quite sure what I want to do with the sycamore log. Pretty good log. Not for sure if I just want to cut it up and which way I want to use it. Pretty good size log. You guys got any suggestions on what to do with that? Leave that down in the comments below. We've planted some mint near the house. Let's go check up on that and see if we can't get some of that harvested. So this is some of our mint. We're just going to go ahead and harvest it and put it in a little brown paper sack for it to dry. And then we're going to place it into our mason jars for storage. What kind of mint was this again?
This is spearmint.
This is the spearmint, okay.
Some of these are trying to root back into the ground. Like, if I can find it again. Right there's roots.
Okay, hold on.
As they run along a rhizome and can root back into the ground.
Okay. It's pretty cool.
And Their stems are square.
They have more of a square stem. Let's see if we can get some of that on footage.
I don't know.
Okay.
If you're drying it in the bag, you can cut slices on each side and then just tie it and hang it up for a couple weeks until it's dry, and then you can store it in the mason jars.
Just gonna kind of move this bag out.
Oh, yeah.
Don't scare the cat.
Nope, go that way. So, I'm a big harvest of chocolate mint. That's probably good for now.
All right. So after you've dried the spearmint or mint, whatever variety you've dried, you're gonna have something that's gonna come up to a crackly, crispy, crumbly product, and then you just crumble it up, put it into your mason jar. At that point it's ready for storage. We've heard 6 months, we've heard up to a year. We're not really 100% sure exactly how long it's going to last, so we're going to test ours and see how long ours lasts. Also, we have these labels here. If you guys like the labels and decide you want some, we are going to be offering them on our website. If you haven't checked out our blog about mint, it will also, a link for that will also be down in the description. So hey guys, look at that little guy down in there. Let's teach Socks how to mouse. Alright, boom, got it. Alright, kitty cat, good job, Socks. Go eat it. Thanks for watching our videos. Subscribe to our channel, it really helps us out. Hit that notifications icon so you get the most recent updates on all of our videos. Thanks again, guys. We'll see you next time.